Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog, and you're back again with me D in Kumang DeeJay's channel. Okay, today you guys, as you can see, I have a different hair color. It is no longer blonde. I've changed it yesterday on I think it was dark brown, and I think to myself it is still quite too bright. Decision to top over with some natural brown, and I'm using this brand, and guess what, this is a hair shampoo. It is henna shampoo hair color, so let's see if it works, and let's see if it turned out the color that I like. Let's see how it turned out to be, so stay with me right to the end. I'm a little nervous, guys. It is just brown and brown together, different shades of brown together. So yeah, let's get into it.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy.
So I'm using 4 packets because my hair is kind of thick. I have a thick hair, and I've been watching this vlog. I think most of you know. It's just Sissy. She's from Any Let's Eat ASMR, and once she had her channel, she opened another channel to do her vlog, and in one of her videos she did a DIY hair color. So look at that, it's kind of black. It's okay, so let's go with it. So I see her that she clipped, she part her hair into 3, I think. I don't remember. I watched it like a few months ago. Let me see if I can divide them. Let me do the top first, or maybe I can just do my way. Again, I must warn you guys, I'm not a professional. I'm far further than a professional hair color. This is just, just my way of color my hair, and this is kind of first for me to do my own. So I'm gonna put on my gloves. Don't forget the gloves, because if you have cut or wound on your finger, or on your hand, it will hurt really badly. So yeah. Alright, there. Okay. So, okay, got it. So let's get color. Let's get busy. There you go. Oh, how cute. Okay, so we're gonna do, let's start.
Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow. For now, you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song. You know my heart. 'Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Do you wanna know? Well, I've been thinking about you. And I think I have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so good. It's like love is raining on me.
Jadi sebenarnya tahun baru hari ni aku bisi color rambut aku, buat aku patutnya grey, aku cut grey ash, bukannya ash grey, tapi salah color combination jadi blonde. Udahnya aku madah anak awak lah, kita blonde lah for few months, 1 month kenyak lah after New Year baru nukar, baru kena hatiku. Jadi dia tu penukar ngai aku jadi blonde nak betah. Jadi kemari aku udah habis cat. Kemari aku udah color tapi madahnya dark brown. Tang aku madah baka agi terang bagiku, aku nak itu rindu kalau terlalu terang. Ya aku dia tu kak nyampur ngau brown, natural brown. Nah, namanya chemical leban berapa bulan tu dah suahku nukar kalau gara-gara kak grey nak jadi. Jadi tu mulai ke brown baru lah foto. Last layer yang ada yang nak tawul ke saya aku tawul ke cerun itu kan cerun tu tetap dengan cerun brown ini ternyata cerun.
Yeah, alright. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one to show me now and forever.
Kerak aku nak lala. Tik ngadu buat aku betul. Nak lala, aku bayar orang bukai. Nyak mia punya. Nah. Kembali orang buka, beli. Oh, mana cukup. Cover it all. Does it cover it all? Tidak, 2 tonnya dia nah. It looks like I'm running out of hair dye shampoo, hair color shampoo. So I say if it doesn't work, then it becomes a 2-tone color. Okay, 20 minutes is up. It's time to wash. Stay tuned.
Later that same evening.
Hi guys, I am back with a new hair color. So it looks black, but then if you go under the sun, it'll be light brown. So what you call that? Dark brown plus natural brown equals to black brown. I am back with where I started, but I think I like it because it looks more healthy. Sekarang saya harus beli treatment sebab terlalu banyak itu ya, terlalu banyak kali di warna, campur-campur warna gitu. When I still have the warna di kepala saya, tengok guys. Oh no guys. So sekarang nih saya mau salah ini. Saya mau put ini multivitamin. Lepas ni saya mau order itu ya, treatment. I am happy with my new hair color. Kan warna sebelum ini kan agak kurang, tidak sesuai untuk kita sudah berumur. Like it. 100% approve.
100% approve.
Okay. And I'm gonna put what is this now? Also vitamin di pada hujung rambut, at the edge of the hair, just a little bit here. So kesian rambut I berapa kali tukar warna just because I'm not satisfied with the color. So what do you guys think? Which color do you prefer? The blonde or the second one, or now? I think I like this one. It makes it look healthier. Yes, Maya. You don't like this hair color? You don't like? Easy for you to say you got nice fur color on you. Okay guys, I am very happy. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for accompanying me. Terima kasih kerana telah menemani si Smoothie di channel Kumang DeeJay. Dan kita jumpa lagi di konten yang lain di masa akan datang. Take care. Hujan hari hujan. I like it. Today is my good day. So God bless. See you on my next video. Dah.